Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna diagnose and fix my knocking sound on a 2011 BMW 335i convertible. This specific engine is N55. So yeah, I think I got everything right there. Like you guys hear about, how you guys, heard about it already from the video in the beginning. The engine is making this knocking sound that in the beginning I was thinking it's from my hydraulic pump. Then I started thinking it's from my engine, and now I'm lost. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna diagnose the knocking sound, and you guys put in the comments down below if I'm doing it right, am I doing it wrong, which probably I'm doing it wrong, but I'm desperate. I don't know what I'm supposed to do, so I'm just gonna throw it in the air and cross my fingers, see if it works. Let's start the engine. Let me show you the sound again, and let's see if we can diagnose and see from where it comes. So let's do it. Okay guys, you guys can hear that? So this is what I realized. I was going underneath the car, I'm like, what is going on? And I was trying all kinds of stuff, and I couldn't figure out from where it's coming, because on the bottom, I don't know if you guys can notice, it makes a lot more sound. But I was like, my engine is destroyed. I don't know, I think it was hitting something, or I did something wrong and I destroyed the engine. It's freaking out. But here goes the but. Let me show you what's the problem and from where it comes. I got my trusty Windex, and we come over here, and let's see what's gonna happen when we spray the belt tensioner. You guys see that? I'm trying to spray and it's not really working. Rubbing alcohol. Maybe if I spin it, well. See that? Let me try again. Soapy water. Okay, let's do this. What do you guys think? It went away. I think we figured it out, guys. Let's see. Okay, like you guys saw and actually hear that, when I spray the pulley, the sound stops. I'm thinking that, the bearings here, they got worn down, which it doesn't make sense how they're gonna get worn down so much and that quick, and yeah. But apparently they got worn down, and now since they got worn down, I have to replace them. So since it's I was trying to, save money, and if it's not broken, obviously don't fix it. And I didn't fix it when everything was wide open. I replaced one of the big pulleys, and then I replaced the main pulley as well, and all of the stuff that needs to be replaced here. And obviously I didn't replace the belt tensioner, because at the time it doesn't seems like that they needed to be replaced, but now you guys can hear. For the purpose, I went again to one and only, well, no, I'm not gonna say one and only, because there is a couple more websites that I usually go to, but for this one here, I went to FCP Europe, and I got my lifetime warranty, belt tensioner. If this bad boy ever goes bad again, well, you guys know it's gonna be free replaced. That's why I went there. If this one goes bad, then I can always return it. So let's see how we're gonna replace that. It should be super easy. We're gonna need, I believe it was a 60 star, and then for the actual belt tensioner, we are gonna use, let's see, which one is this guy here? Seems about right. This is a T50. So this is a T50. This is the biggest one that I have, 55 here. It's not a 55. Sure, it's a T50 to take this guy out. And then for the belt itself, we have a T60. You guys gonna need one of these bad boys right there to be able to remove the tension and swap it. So it should be super easy and quick, at least in my mind. So let's find out. Okay guys, it was a struggle without removing the fan or this bracket right there, or even like the HVAC pipe, but we managed to do it. Once again, if you put your mind into it, you can do it. But let me show you the old pulley. I mean, the bearings looks good, everything spins good. I don't know, I hope that's the problem. But in the same time, let me show you what that is covered right here in the back. Hope you guys can see that. Seems like, you know, like this thing got melted or something. You guys see that? Look, see all of this plastic? Yeah, seems like it got like melted, or I don't know, it's weird. I hope that was the problem right there, and we're gonna find out in a little bit. Yeah, yep. Let's see, cross my fingers. I think it stopped, or maybe it didn't. I don't know. Woo! Okay guys, I think we got it. Another success. I really think it was the belt tensioner and the knocking that you guys were hearing. It was semi-consistent, semi-not really, and that's because the harmonic balancer right there, I think it was just flapping, where the belt was flapping a little bit too rapidly or something, and it was just like smacking it, and then the belt tensioner was like pulling it back, and yeah, I think that was it. So, and as if you guys can hear, we got it. Another success. Thank you much guys for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.